got started, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Draining. He said he went to go get some fittings.
Okay. All right. I think you called me initially or reached out to me initially, and I sent you Dave's number. Maybe.
I don't know. What's your name?
My name's John.
John, I think so. Are you Mike's friend? No. No, that's Wally.
No, maybe Facebook Marketplace
Yeah,
or
maybe.
OfferUp or
Yeah.
something. Yeah, when I get too busy, I send Dave my overflow work because I got a day job.
Oh, okay.
So I do it like after working on the weekends and stuff like that. So.
Okay.
Yeah, no worries. We'll get this thing handled for you. Yeah, Dave brings me into solder.
Oh, okay.
So that's why he reached out to me.
Oh, okay.
He doesn't like
Okay.
soldering, and I do all that. So.
All right.
Yeah, so I'm glad to get a little work off of it. Cool, well, I'll get started. He said he had it draining. Yeah, I gotta break all this copper and get it out. You can try to eat the sediment up with vinegar.
Oh, okay.
If you take like a gallon of vinegar and pour a gallon of vinegar inside and cap it off and let it sit for a while,
Okay.
it'll break a lot of that
Okay,
down.
yeah.
And then just flush it a bunch of times,
Okay.
and you should hopefully get, another couple more years out
Yeah,
of it.
yeah, exactly.
You want to change the, you want to put a new anode rod in it too.
Anode?
Anode, yeah, they sell them at Home Depot. They're about 30 bucks. It's an aluminum rod that fits inside,
Okay.
and that'll take all the abuse of the water heater.
Oh.
And so usually when those fail, so yours might still, I would have brought my my impact and pulled it out for you, so you could look
okay,
at it,
Okay.
or put a new one in or whatever.
Well, can we call him for he could pick it up since he's going to get fittings and tell him to pick it up and then I'll pay
I just don't have I didn't bring my
Oh,
tools to pull it out.
okay.
Yeah, it takes an 1 16" socket.
Okay.
I have one at home, like I bought it just for extracting anode
Well, I
rods.
have sockets.
It's real hard to break, it takes a lot of torque to
Okay.
break it. But you could try and do it on your own. You can always call me later or something
Okay.
if you decide you want to switch it out. Yeah, he didn't let any air in, huh?
Don't know about that part.
Well, it'll drain a lot better. It's a vacuum otherwise. Yeah, that's all right. We'll get going on it. I'll break all this. So the water's shut off, right? So where's the water come in? On this side? It comes in here and then splits and goes somewhere else? Yeah, it
Yeah.
looks like that's what's
Yeah.
going on. Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure I cut it after the water's coming in, not before, right? So, okay, yeah, and then you cold water bond and all that. All right, cool. Well, that's good. It's not leaking. Yeah, you should definitely keep it.
Let's get a couple more years out of it.
Yeah, get a couple more years out of it. It'll last a lot longer if you're able to flush a lot of that sediment out. All right, so we're doing a water heater installation. I'm helping Dave out on a water heater. Draining pretty slow. So everything coming in is 1/2 inch, and we're gonna convert that over to 3/4. Rainy towels. Lucky. Alright, so we got everything cut away. I think it's empty.
Yeah, why did I touch it? Trying to get the water heater to drain. So you loosen the cap here and that'll let a little bit of air in. That seems to be doing it. Yeah, so right now we're relocating. We're relocating the water because it's so close to the top of the tank.
Yeah.
I mean, we probably could have just maybe hard piped it back or something.
Right, yeah.
But instead, I moved it up.
That's good.
I
So
moved
you
it up and
you
over.
use hoses.
Yeah, so you can use the hoses. Exactly. But I have to build this whole thing in order to do that. It's a lot. It's a bunch of work. I probably should have just hard piped it. It would have been less
Well,
work.
next time it'll be easier.
Come on.
But it's the back. The back, and then it's the two sides. The back is 5 feet, 60 inches. You're looking for, it looks like a small shot.
That, or I was just thinking of hot mopping the whole thing and then just draining it, floating it down to the, angling it, leveling it down to the drain.
Oh,
Water
okay.
went over there.
What are you gonna do with the walls?
So, I was thinking of closing it off here and then doing a slider there into that way,
Oh, okay.
pocket door. You know someone who,
All right, hang on 1 second.
You ready? Oh, okay.
Hang on. All right, ready. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, so you're gonna hold it right there for a second.
Good.
We're gonna run into the supply line here, so it's gotta be. Just flex that. See it? See how we're coming right into it?
Oh,
So
you need to,
we need to disconnect it and drain it back, and then bend it up out of the way.
do you want that stool?
you wanna set it back down?
No, I think it's good. Well,
No,
no, someone just needs to get in there with a.
We need the ladder?
Yeah, maybe we could set it back down and just drain it back or something.
You need a base?
You sure this is stable?
Yeah.
You know, my age, I can't be breaking bone. I'm gonna take this end loose.
Yeah, that's fine. You're gonna have a lot of water coming out on you though. Hang on 1 second. Let me get.
You hold it and I'll get the.
Okay, so if you could
Oh, I got it, yeah.
turn on the hot until the pressure. Let the pressure drain down for a second. Yeah. There you go. And then do we have some kind of cup or something there?
Yeah.
You're gonna get a lot of.
Not too much pressure. Remember, this is only half inch.
Sometimes the pressure's even higher on a half inch.
No,
that's
hot
not
water.
hot
You
at
won't
all.
have hot water for an hour. It takes about an hour to heat up 50 gallons of water.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
I guess we're good.
Now,
Okay.
now
Let's go into your hot.
slice a
Huh?
little bit more. There you go. That's the hot? Yeah.
That's your hot.
Okay, I already got.
How's it looking on the spacing?
Yeah, you're okay so far. I gotta come over here.
So you're about an inch away from these pipes, so.
Okay, but you gotta go a little more to even up this, the vent.
You can go, there you go, you can go that way. You can go back a little bit.
But that's gonna be fine?
Yeah, we'll have to turn it
Okay.
there. We'll have to turn it. I've got to, unless it screws you up. So you have to tell me if it's gonna mess you up there.
No, no,
to
you're
turn the
okay.
water heater.
Oh, you're good.
That's good now? Okay, now. You wanna go in a little?
Yeah, we
I
can
can't
go-
go that way no more?
Okay. So, yeah, we can go that
Okay,
way.
hold, you're hitting the wall. Okay, you can't go this way at all, okay. So, where's your, vent? We need like an elbow. Unless we come, wait a minute, if I come this way just a little bit, it might be okay, it might line up. There we go, see?
Yeah, she came up with it.
She had that. She ain't no dummy. When she walks in, she knows what's happening. That's good. Nothing wrong with that.
No. What's wrong with that then? Prefer people not know anything.
Huh?
Said I prefer people not know anything.
Oh, yeah, that helps, but
What are you
once,
gonna- what are you gonna do? Right?
yeah, but once I let them know, you know, I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this shit for 60 fucking years. Back off.
All right. Do you have a,
Simply cut this.
oh, okay. You have my tool man here?
Let me see.
And then pull this out?
Oh, that's a, yeah, that's water, fireproof. See if I can get this. Nice to be able to move this up. You don't have a big screwdriver, huh?
Me?
Yeah. I think when I loosen these, I might be able to raise it up a couple of inches.
Who's the one? I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh.
Just enough to,
I think it's a ratchet.
no, as I'm looking at it, it's screwdriver. It's probably got screws on it. It's got a nut on the other side.
Oh, I see. And what, is it a flathead?
Yeah, it's a flathead,
Okay.
but it's got to be a big screwdriver. It can't be a little. See, what I'm thinking is, I can raise it up this. If I can raise it up 6 inches, I even if I get up on the roof and slide it up, then I can cut this and make it work.
Yeah,
Hmm?
someone take a cold shower?
Yeah, they can use the water, not right?
The cold?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can use the water.
No,
We haven't got it on yet, but it'll take 45 minutes to heat up once we turn it on. We'll get ready to turn it on in a few minutes. But you can take a shower a cold shower.
Okay. Ooh-wee. Oh, it's still hot. Alright, so we're good on the soldering. Not bad.
Huh?
Reasonably straight.
Really?
Yeah, I'm getting better. I'm getting better at that. I don't know what I was doing up here. This is some elaborate pipe work going on. I should have just kept it simple.
Oh, it takes a little bit.
You could try and put it up in there. Is that what you're
That's
trying
what
to
she
do?
said, yeah. That's good enough right there. All it has to do is breathe.
And just throw some tape on it?
I mean, you got like 3 inches of opening in there, so that's what I'm gonna do is throw some tape on it. Go for it.
Alright, dude.
side.
Well, you're pretty good. You look pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, that flexible ducting isn't. I just crush it all down.
Started. It's right there.
Oh, the very back. Oh. Hang on one second, please.
She always turns just halfway on till it's full.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. You hear it?
Yeah.
Get up.
It's magic, Dave.
There's luck. God is good, man. God is great. God is great.
Yeah, it
Hey.
came out pretty good.
Hello? I got you going. You need to open your, in your shower? You do it there. No shower? Okay, open the hot tub. Oh, that's the water. I'm filling it up.
So you want me to make it come out?
The hot side. To get the air out of the line. I still got like maybe 30, but I'm gonna get you. I got some that are questionable. I want you to fix them.
Yeah,
They're all these types are fixable.
yeah, oh, for sure. They're not leaking, bring them by.
Yeah. You know, I might bring you 1 or 2 a week, something like that.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, don't throw them away.
No, no. No, we made it work.
Yeah, we did.
You made it work.
Wow. Takes teamwork to make the dream work, right, Dave?
That's right. Yeah. It's on B. B is enough.
Yeah. Oh yeah, B's plenty.
Okay.
All right.